Welcome to Medical Destiny YouTube channel. To get latest videos related to health and medical topics, please subscribe this channel.
9 Signs of Labor. It's the event you've been happily and nervously anticipating for months. Your baby's birth. Here are 10 signs that labor is near and your baby's birthday is almost here. Many a pregnant mom has wondered how labor will feel, how long it will take, and how to know whether it's the real deal or just a false alarm. It's hard to predict the answers to all those questions, since every birth is different, but knowing what labor is and what signs to look out for will help provide clues that it's almost time to meet your baby. Labor is the process of childbirth, starting with contractions of the uterus and ending with the delivery of the baby. If you're like a lot of pregnant moms, you're probably wondering how you'll know for sure that you're in labor. Look out for these 9 signs of labor that tell you baby's on the way. 1. Your baby drops. If you're a first-time mom, your baby will typically start to drop or descend into your pelvis a few weeks before labor begins, usually around 2 to 4 weeks before, but it can vary. In subsequent births, this lightening doesn't often happen until you're truly in labor. Your baby is getting into position to make his exit, ideally with the head down and low. 2. Your cervix dilates. Your cervix, too, is starting to prepare for birth. It starts to dilate and thin out in the days or weeks before you deliver. At your weekly checkups in the home stretch of your pregnancy, your provider may measure and track dilation and effacement via an internal exam. But everyone progresses differently, so don't be discouraged if you're dilating slowly or not at all yet. 3. You feel more cramps and increased back pain. Especially if this is not your first pregnancy, you may feel some crampiness and pain in your lower back and groin as labor nears. Your muscles and joints are stretching and shifting in preparation for birth. 4. Your joints feel looser. Throughout your pregnancy, the hormone relaxin has made your ligaments loosen up a little before you go into labor. You may notice that the joints all over your body feel a bit less tight and more relaxed. It's just nature's way of opening up your pelvis for your little passenger to make his way into the world. 5. You have diarrhea. Just as the muscles in your uterus are relaxing in preparation for birth, so too are other muscles in your body, including those in the rectum. And that can lead to diarrhea, that pesky labor symptom you may well have experienced at other times during pregnancy. Though annoying, it's completely normal. Just be sure to stay hydrated and remember, it's a good sign. 6. You stop gaining weight. Weight gain often levels off at the very end of pregnancy. Some moms-to-be even lose a couple of pounds. This is normal and won't affect your baby's birth weight. He's still gaining, but you're dropping due to lower levels of amniotic fluid, more bathroom breaks, and maybe even increased activity. 7. You lose your mucus plug and your vaginal discharge changes color and consistency. You may also notice the loss of your mucus plug, the cork sealing off your uterus from the outside world. It can come out in one large piece. It looks similar to the mucus in your nose or lots of little ones, though you may not get a glimpse of it at all, and some women don't lose it before delivery. In the last days before labor, you'll likely see increased and/or thickened vaginal discharge. This thickened, pinkish discharge is called bloody show and is a good indication that labor is imminent. But without contractions or dilation of 3 to 4 centimeters, labor could still be a few days away. 8. You feel stronger, more frequent contractions. Contractions are an early sign of active labor, except when they aren't. You can experience Braxton Hicks contractions or practice contractions for weeks and even months before delivery. You'll feel their pinch as the muscles in your uterus tighten in preparation for their big moment. How can you tell the difference between real and false labor contractions? Look for these signs of real labor. If you're active, real contractions get stronger instead of easing up the way Braxton Hicks contractions do. If you change positions, labor contractions don't go away, but Braxton Hicks often do. Real contractions progress, becoming more frequent and more painful as time goes on, often falling into a regular pattern. Each one won't necessarily be more painful or longer than the one before it, but the intensity tends to build over time as labor progresses. Frequency doesn't always increase in a regular pattern either, but it does gradually increase. Braxton Hicks contractions come and go without getting more intense over time. Early real labor contractions could feel like strong menstrual cramps, stomach upset, or lower abdominal pressure. Pain could be in the lower abdomen or both there and the lower back, and it could radiate down into the legs. The location of the pain isn't as reliable an indicator of true VS practice contractions, though, because Braxton Hicks contractions can also be felt in all those places. 9. Your water breaks. Your water breaking is actually one of the final signs of labor most women experience, and it happens in only around 15% of births or fewer. So don't count on it as a telltale, surefire sign of labor. Still feel like you won't know when to announce it's time and get ready to meet your baby? Try not to stress about it. You'll be seeing your doctor or midwife frequently now, and he or she will help you spot all the important clues. You should always call your doctor or midwife if you experience any bleeding or bright red discharge. Not brown or pinkish. Your water breaks, especially if the fluid looks green or brown. This could be a sign that meconium, or your baby's first stool, is present, which can be dangerous if your baby ingests it during birth. You experience blurred or double vision, a severe headache, or sudden swelling. These can all be symptoms of preeclampsia, which is characterized by pregnancy-induced high blood pressure and requires medical attention.
Thanks for watching. To get latest videos related to health and medical topics, please subscribe our channel. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends. Do not forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment below.